Hello, I'm Julia Pade, an exchange student from Germany, and today I'm going to talk about an environmental issue that affects all of us. Trash in and around the cities. The issue I'm talking about is urban plastic pollution. You can see it basically everywhere. Piles of plastic, bags, bottles, wrappers, in parks, rivers, and even in the sea. We all know about it, we all have seen it in our lives.
To understand the pollution issue in Kuala Lumpur's outer districts, it's important to look at the bigger picture. Nationally, Malaysia is one of the worst offenders for mismanaged plastic waste in the world. According to this article, the average Malaysian disposes of 25.49 kilograms of plastic per person. That places the country on 10th place globally. Even worse, Malaysia ranks 5th in the world for plastic dumped directly into the ocean. Because KLCC Park, right in front of the Petronas Towers, is super clean, you wouldn't guess that it differs that much in the other districts. Walking 20 minutes outside the city center, these national trends are visible. Close to my home right now, there are huge mountains of garbage, which shocked and made me choosing this topic for today.
In the following, I'm going to focus about some environmental science concepts that we will consider. So the litter problem is almost entirely human-driven. Pollution happens if harmful substances enter our environment and disrupt the natural systems. In KL, but also in the other cities around our world, litter, especially plastics, are a major source of urban pollution. And also, if we refer to UNEP, 80% of the marine plastic in our oceans comes from land sources, much of them by a river from all the bigger cities that we have.
The root causes are clear: high plastic consumption, bad waste management, and limited recycling systems. Nearly 45% of waste in KL is packaging waste, and managing is costly. That is why illegal dumping and open burning remains common. The impacts are serious. Plastics in rivers breaks down into microplastics that harm fish, plants, and eventually humans. Urban biodiversity is also reduced when soils, waterways, or green spaces are contaminated. So, what is being done about this problem? The Malaysian government has introduced a plastic sustainability roadmap, which sets ambitious goals of building a new plastics and circular economy by 2030. However, the same challenges remain. The responsibility lies with many groups: the government, the manufacturers, the NGOs, but also the public, whose daily choices matter a lot. Interestingly, studies show that people in KL are really not happy about the waste problem, but many simply just don't know how to start and make any change. One inspiring initiative that I discovered during my first weeks here is the Sea Monkey Project. Their mission is to empower and educate people with real social and environmental impact. They collect trash and upcycle plastics using their own machines, turning them into useful products. Some big brands even collaborate with them. What impresses me the most is that they also run workshops to teach communities on how to manage their plastic waste more efficiently. And they even offer internships for young people from all over the world.
What surprises me the most is how easily and how fast the litter problem becomes normal and becomes like the background. People just kind of ignore it, even if they're seeing it every day. So every small action counts. Take rubbish with you, recycle if you can, and also speak up and achieve sensibilization. Like, we're in a community, we know about these problems and we care about it even more, but there are often some people that don't really know about it. They don't know how to recycle, they don't know how to act. So sensibilization is one of the biggest parts. We have to talk about it and make the problem more visible for everyone.